Hello friends, welcome back to our channel on statistics. So in the last video we discussed about HCU previous year HCU 2020 question paper explanation. Now we will see Pondicherry University 2020 question paper. Okay, so maximum we answer these questions in 2020 question paper, then we discuss remaining. So this is the question paper. If anyone need question paper, you can just type this Pondicherry University entrance previous year question papers, then go to the first link entrance question papers Pondicherry University, then new window will be open from library website, then you can press on MSc 2020. It will be available from Google. Okay, so this is the question paper in the 2020. So now we discuss the answer. See the question number 1. Actually pattern is for 100 questions on 100 questions will be there. Each question carries 4 marks, that is 400 marks. Negative marking is 1 mark for each question. So give questions are simple, just logic based questions only. So if you practice more all these questions like Pondicherry, Benares, Hyderabad, these all universities will be if you practice, then it will be easy for CUET entrance exam. Okay, so this is the question number 1. What is the harmonic mean of 1 comma 1 by 2 plus 1 comma 1 by 3 and so on 1 by n? So generally what is the formula for harmonic mean? N by summation of 1 by xi, or we are saying summation I equal to 120. This is the actual formula for harmonic mean. So if you substitute the formula here, total n terms are there, so n divides by reciprocal of these terms. So 1 reciprocal is 1, 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2, 3 reciprocal, 1 by 3 reciprocal 3 and so on. This is n. So what is the formula for sum of n natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. So finally it will be 2n by n plus 1 into n. So n cancel out, 2 by n plus is the answer. So C option is the correct answer. Similarly, they are asking second question, if the value of first and third quarters are 20 and 30 respectively, then what is the formula for IQR? This is just Q3 minus Q1. So how much? 30 minus 20, 10. So this is the answer. And one more question, the coefficient of correlation two variables is minus 0.4. Then what about the coefficient of determination? This is R square. This is rho. This is rho square. So 0. Square is minus 0.1 square is how much? 0.16. So option 3 is the correct answer. Similarly, the regression coefficients of bxy equal to minus 1 and byx equal to minus 0.25. Then find the correlation coefficient. What is the formula for rxy equal to square root of bxy into byx? So just take the square root here, minus 1 into minus 0.25 into square root. So when you multiply, you will get here 0.25. So square root of 0.25 is 0.5. So option A is the correct answer, A1. So next one, then which of the following, then type the frequency distribution of income per month. Then we need to find the model class. So model class means highest frequency. So in the options we mentioned 250 to 500. So we add these two, then we got 44. So if we add 500, 750, 500, 750 is approximately 87. Next 750 to 100, that is again 120, 70 plus 55, it is 125. So 1000 to 1250, 1000 to 150, it is 150. So where is the highest model value? A4. A4 is the model class. So similarly, so which of the following is called metric data or quantitative data? Means quantitative means numerical data. So if you observe the options, here nominal is there, here nominal is there, here nominal is there. So the options automatically discard. So only interval and ratio data will be the answer. So if the two random variables x and y have Poisson distribution with parameters 3 and 4 respectively, so if x following Poisson 3 and y following Poisson 4, then x plus y follows Poisson 3 plus 4, that is 7. So then what is x plus y equal to 0? If x is 0, then e power minus lambda, lambda power xy, x factorial. So here lambda is 7, x is 0. So here 0, here 0. 0 factorial is 1, x power 0 is 1. So e power minus 7. Okay. The mean and variance of a binomial random variable having MGF. So they gave one MGF, that is like q plus p power t whole power n. So what is the mean? NP, variance is NP, which is standard formula. So what are the NP? 5 by 3, 5 by 3 into 2 by 3. So it is 10 by 3, 10 by 9, 5 by 3. So option A is the correct answer. Lower bound to the variance of an unbiased estimator, who is given by C.R. Rao, Kramer-Rao inequality. So next question. So you can do the design questions, that is degree questions you can do. Maximum we cover which questions? Mathematical questions. Suppose that as conduct experiment in laboratory where explain homogeneous means we can use CRD. Model which has some factors are fixed and some are random. If both are there, fixed and random, then we say that it is mixed effect model. Okay. Then 14th one, Fisher ideal index number satisfies this both reversal and time reversal and factor. You can theory questions you can read from BL Agrawal book or FMS or FAS book. These are the standard formulas. So you can use this one standard question. So for qualitative data, the central tendency median is preferable. In qualitative means non-parametric like this type. Here the standard deviation of set of 50 observations is 6.5. Then each observation is increased by 5. The standard deviation independent of origin. So మనకు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ చేస్తే మనకు స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ చేంజ్ కాదు మా 6.5. అదే మీకు ఆరిజిన్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కానీ డివిజన్ కానీ ఉందంటే అప్పుడు చేంజెస్ ఉంటాయి. సో దిస్ వన్ maximum we cover mathematical part questions. See this question, they gave some giant PDF. Now we need to find the probability of x less than 1 and y less than 3. So x 0 0 to 1, y is 2 to 3, 1 by 8, 6 minus x minus y. So first dy then dx. So when we do with dy, then we got 1 by 8, 6y minus xy minus y square by 2. Here 0 to 1 is there, limits are 2 3, then dx is a common. So when you substitute 3 here, 18 minus 3x minus 9 by 2. So this is one limit minus, when you substitute 2 here, 12 plus 2x, when we substitute 2 here, 2 square by 4, 4 by 2, minus 2 means plus 2. So finally we have this expression is, first we can write minus x. So here 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 9 by 2, that implies 16 minus 9 by 2. So 7 by 2. Plus 7 by 2. This is the function. So we can integrate with x minus x square by 2 plus 7 by 2x. So limits are 0 to 1. So if we substitute 0 to 1, minus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Something mistake happened. Here 1 by 8, oh 1 by 8 is there, remember. Here 1 by 8 is there, here 1 by 8 is there, here 1 by 8 is there. Now answer will come 6 by here 6 by 16, that implies 3 by 8. So option D is the correct answer. So we can do this question. So again this we are asking, if x1 bar and x2 bar be sample means based on independent random samples drawn from normal distribution with mean mu1 and mu2 respectively and common variance sigma square, and sp square is the pooled variance, then 100% inference limits. This is the standard formula, x1 bar minus x2 bar plus or minus, here standard deviation is known, so z alpha by 2 into 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. So option A is the correct answer. So it is standard. Two-tailed test. When two-tailed test is preferable, a statistical test for which critical region compares both large and small values of the test statistics. A statistical test for which critical region comparison either large or small or not equal situations, we use two-tailed test. So non-parametric testing, identical nature of the two populations, so we use this man with new test. This is also the standard. So theory questions you can practice this. So this is again SQC question, quality control question. These are all quality control questions. Defects, number of decades is NP chart. I think NP chart. P chart is number of defects per unit. Producers risk, when producers will assign probability of rejecting a good lot, probability of accepting a good lot, probability of rejecting a bad lot, probability of accepting a bad lot. This one, if lot is good but they are rejecting, then yes, it is producer risk. So you can practice these all questions from standard books. See this, if x follows Poisson random variate, which x following Poisson 1, y following Poisson 2, then the probability of x plus y less than 3. If see, now we have x plus y following Poisson 3. Okay, so what are the chances are there? If I take x is 0, y is 0, x1, y1, these possibilities are there, and if I take x2 or y equal to 2, then these are not possible. 1 0 0 1 is also possible. 0 0 1 0, then 1 0 2 1. So here again 0, here 2, here 1 1. Okay, these are the possibilities. So we can substitute these limits here. E power minus 3 3 power x by x factorial. What are the chances? 2 1 1. So e power minus 3. So in place of here x plus y will be there. Here also x plus y will be factorial. So here we are taking 0. When we take 0 here, so we are commoning this one 0 0. So 1 plus. When we take 2 here, so it will be 3 square. So 3 square 9. 9 by 2 factorial means 2 plus. So when I take 1 here, x plus y 1 is 1. Then 3 power 1 is 1. 1 factorial. Again 3 by 1 factorial. So it is 4.5. 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 11.5 into e power minus 3. It is coming 11.5 into e minus 3. Maybe the answer is 8.5 e power minus 3. Maximum. Why? Because here we consider x plus y 1 2 times. So only 3 will come. This will not come. So 11 lo 0.5 లో 3 పోతే మనకు 8.5 by into minus 3. A family of parametric distributions in which mean is always greater than its variance. Mean greater than variance in which distribution? Binomial distribution. Okay, here mean is equal. Here we cannot say it will be based on p and q, but it is always mean greater than variance. if the if a Poisson distribution such that probability of x equal to 2 and probability of x equal to 3 means e power minus lambda square by 2 factorial, e power minus lambda cube by 3 factorial. So lambda will cancel out. So here 3 will come. So lambda square lambda equal to 3. So Poisson distribution mean is the lambda. So 3 is the answer. The variable x has the following PDF 1 by 4 x into e power minus x by 2. Then the variable x is, see, if you observe this e power minus chi square by 2, chi square power n by 2 minus 1, 2 power n by 2 gamma of n by 2. This is the chi square form. See, now e power minus chi square by 2. This is fine. So for you have x power 1, but here n by 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So what will be the n? N minus 2 equal to 2, n equal to 4. So when I substitute n equal to 4 here, 2 square means 1 by 4 is there, x is over. So gamma of 2 is again 1. So this is the chi-square distribution. If the variable x with the generative function mx of t 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 e power t is distributed with the mean, so it is again q plus p e power t whole power n, right? So here np is how much? 1 by 3, 2 by 9, 1 by 3. Similarly, this type of model already repeated. So if the distribution as the moment generative function mx of t, then the distribution is 2 minus e power t power minus 3. So it is not binomial. Geometric MGF, it is not hypergeometric. Maximum it is geometric or notable. You can just cross check from books. Okay. So again here they given negative binomial case. Their mean is 2, variance is 3. Then find the p value. So what is the formula? R cube by p square, right? So R cube by p means R cube by p equal to 2. R cube by p square equal to 3. So it implies, so here we have Rp equal to 3p square. Here 3p square 2p. So p cancel out 2 by 3. So A is the correct answer. Binomial distribution tend to Poisson when n tends to infinity, p should be small. Okay, then np equal to mu. Okay. If n is the small sample size than 30, then the student, if n increase more than 30, then student sampling distributions all converges to normal distribution. Which of the following distribution is not true regarding independence of AB? So it is right. It is right. It is A given B. A given B means A intersection B divides by probability of B. Now it is again. So all are correct. Not true regarding independent of AB. Let's cross check this question. I think all are correct. If x and y have gamma variate, gamma of n, so ratio of gamma distribution follows beta 1. So these are questions, very questions. Okay. So this is again standard question. You can just check, cross check from the question. So here, if it is equal, then it is independent. What is the question? If AB give B. Again, this is formula based. A or B means A probability of A plus probability of B. Impossible event is 0, possible sure event is 1. So impossible event is 0. So this is again probability question. You can cross check these questions. So we can convergence question also there. The variance of first n natural numbers. This is n square minus 1 by 12. The standard discrete uniform question. So here in mathematics from real 0 to pi by 2 sine pi over x cos x. So it is very easy to see that if t is sine x, then dt is cos x dx. So by using this formula, t power 5. When it is pi by 2, it is 1. When it is 0, 0, so it's 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer. So similarly, you can do this type of questions also. So like sin x plus 1 equal to t, then cos x dx is equal to dt. So it is root t 0 to 1. So what is the formula for root 1 by 2? 1 by 2 plus 1, root 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So it is 1. I think this is correct. Okay, once cross check this mathematical part. So again x into 1 minus x whole power 4 is there. So here you can directly do by a minus b whole power 4 expansion form either, or you can assume this one as a t, or by substitution part you can do this. Again this mathematical part. So I think now one was total of mathematics questions. For the matrix modulus of a equal to 5 and adjoint of a is, then a inverse is a inverse into a equal to I, that means it is orthogonal. This is orthogonal. This is orthogonal maximum. Matrix A cos square theta plus sin square theta. It is non-singular matrix, but they are skew symmetric. Yeah, it is skew symmetric. A transpose equal to minus A cos theta. No, this is not skew symmetric. You can cross check by just applying a definition. So f of dy dx of f of x plus e of x. If you do here 3, here 1, so 4. So 1 by 2, 1, 3, 5. Here one sequence 2, 5, 8. Here 1, 6. You can find sequence and answer will be the over. Switch up the function. So you can do that ODE question, this one. So here if that is 0, then it is singular matrix. Okay, maximum remaining are mathematics questions. See, so you need to find rank. Gamma of 1 by t is root pi using the determinants, solution of the matrix. Okay, I hope maximum what I know I tell. So if you have any doubts you can comment us. If I know I will tell you. Thank you for watching.